almost destroying me now. I saw a business path. I thought it would lead me to wealth and abundance. I followed that path, and now everything in my life is destroyed. Please lift your voice. Pray passionately. Pray passionately. And for someone who has feared of, you know you feared of in life, in ministry, please lift your voice and say, Father, like the prodigal son, I'm ready to be on my way back home, back to destiny, back to the place of power, back to accuracy in ministry. It's time to get it right. It's time to get it right. You don't have all the time in destiny. Sing that song for me, Dave. Just one time.